Meet the great-eared nightjar, a bird with fuzzy earmuffs and a mouth big enough to swallow a moth. By day, they hide on branches, blending in perfectly. But at night, they become expert hunters. With big eyes for seeing in the dark and sharp hearing from their ear tufts, they track insects like moths and beetles. Perched quietly, they wait to strike with lightning speed, snatching prey with their sharp beak. Cute yet fierce, these nighttime hunters remind us of the amazing creatures that come alive after dark.